Hey everyone, so it is Wednesday and that means Wednesdays with Rosina. Today is not your usual Wednesday, it is the Wednesday pre-Move It 2019. So you guys wanted to do, you wanted to see a day in the life of me. So a lot of people always ask me, so where do you teach? What do you do all week? And actually I run my own businesses because I have my own Rosina Andrews method, Rosina Andrews Limited, and also Amplify. So I want you guys to see what it's like to be me. And today's going to be a bit of a mad one. First thing I do though, I've got up. Obviously, I don't get up very early. I got up about 8:30. And the first thing I saw was Capizio had reposted the video of Kai and Rory from Amplify Birmingham, which was amazing. And that's really nice. And love Capizio. We're going to be doing another Capizio day at their store in London really, really soon. So watch out on my Instagram for that. Yeah, then the next thing I did, I got up and I'm about to show you my next thing. I hinge. Yes, I'm one of those millennial females near her 30s. I'm not in my 30s yet, but near enough, in my late 20s, that likes Mrs. Hinch on Instagram. And honestly, this woman has changed my life. I never used to I'd make your bed before you go out. Pfft, no, but now, oh, you wait till you see what my bed looks like. Yeah, so once I've hinged my bed, there's a few clothes on the floor because, yeah, I'm still a little bit messy. But then another woman who's changed my life is Marie Kondo, the life-changing art of tidying. So there's a few clothes I need to put away before I embark on my epic to-do list for today. So if you guys have a messy room and a bit of a busy brain, try and separate the two because it's made a huge difference to me. So yeah. Time lapsing again as I fold my clothes and I give them joy. So, one tidy bedroom. And it, oh yeah, wow. So, here. These are my Hello Kitties. And I always talk about them in workshops and people don't believe me. Yes, I collect Hello Kitties from every country that I've been to. When we move house and we have a really nice grown-up master bedroom. Unfortunately, I feel like they won't be coming into the master bedroom, but I'm sure I'll find a collectible place for them. Today's my usual Wednesday. Usually on a Wednesday I do Pilates. It's my day, my life admin day, because I work most of Monday afternoon, all day Tuesday, Wednesday afternoons, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So I need to sort my life out on a Wednesday. So I go to Pilates, but today I'm not going to Pilates because, as you can hear, my neighbours are having some work done. I'm not going to Pilates because I have a load of parcels to pick up from, it seems, every different post office in London, as well as waiting for 2 parcels to be delivered. And these are all for Move It, lastminute.com. So I've just had a text to say that one of them will be arriving before noon. So I'm going to stay in, I'm going to do some work here. Then I'm going to go collect my parcels once the one that's arrived at 12 noon has arrived, leave a little note on the door for the other one just in case that turns up. And then I might go to Pilates this evening. I say that. I've got a lot of things. I need to pack and I need to sort everything out for Move It. So yeah, to the next room of my house and the next job that I do. So today my office is my kitchen. Please excuse the washing. It was obviously pancake day yesterday, so we've got lemons. I love a notepad, but today it's more about a list. So I've got to collect my Shein order. Shein? How do we say this? Comment below. How do we say this? That's a few things for upcoming trips as well as Move It. I need to collect the uniforms. So I've got the boys some new t-shirts, long sleeves, and anyone else working on my stand, I've got them some cute little t-shirts. I need to wait for my surprise merch. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but surprise merch parcel 1 and 2 should be arriving today. I need to pre-launch my tickets for Amplify on my new ticket site. I need to complete the website for Amplify. It's nearly done. It's looking pretty freaking cool, but yeah, just need to complete that. I made a promo video for Amplify from all the videos Rory made. I need to upload that. I need to schedule all my Move It weekend posts. Now, social media is a massive part of my business, and unfortunately when you're busy, even though I have a lot of people that work for me and do my social media and things like that, actually, oh, can't pick up my pen, it's important to schedule them. So I will be hitting the laptop in a minute, scheduling my posts. I need to pack my car, I need to pack my case because I need to know because actually, even though we live in London, we're staying in a hotel for Move It because the hours are just a bit epic. I need to confirm my cover for the weekend because obviously I'm not teaching, but I've got people taking my classes. I have some orders to post. Sneak preview of an Amplify flyer. Whoa. I need to go to the bank because I need to pay in some money, and I also need to get some change for the weekend. Pilates, Pilates, and create dinner. Create, interesting word, not so much cook dinner, but create dinner. Due to the fact that this year my New Year's resolution was to create dinner from scratch every week based on what's in the fridge. So I'll have a look at that later. Some of you are going to watch my day in the life of me. Hello, Kitty. And say, Rosina, you need to get some staff. You need some people to work for you. And I do have people that work for me, and they're amazing. Just today, they're not here. You know, Sam's at work, Rory's, I think he's at college, and all the other people that help me out are, you know, I don't need them at my house all the time. So yeah, and no, I don't need a web designer because I like doing it myself because I'm a Leo and I'm impatient. And yeah, did you hear that? Next door neighbours are doing some DIY. This is why I don't usually work from home. It's gone up an octave. But I usually work from Finks, my coffee shop office. It's my favourite place, and I get so much work done. So my parcels have arrived, so I am free to leave and go get to my other parcels from post offices. One last thing I'm going to do before I go out is make some submissions on Spotlight for my mum's clients at her studio. Okay, so I'm off out to the post office, the other post office and the bank. Road trip around Islington and Holloway. Yeah, my car is full of stuff and move it. Normal life with a bookcase. Hey, yeah. Okay, so that's my orders, my online orders posted, and my first parcel picked up. Picked up a few little things from Body Shop, mainly for these spots on my chin, and also some little gifts for my helpers this weekend. Woohoo! The weather in London is windy. Banking done. So I'm in Holland and Barrett now, picking up some healthy snacks for the weekend, because if you're going to move it, there is nothing to eat. And if there is things to eat, it's all sugar, and that's fine, but that makes me moody and spotty. So for me to get through the weekend, I shouldn't have too much sugar till Sunday. Yeah, and anything else you buy from Move It is so expensive. So yeah, healthy snacks, especially for you, Rory. He won't eat them. Maybe you'll eat them. Another parcel. So I'm on my way home. So I spent the last like 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. There's a tidy bed from earlier. Sorting out and packing what I'm going to be wearing this weekend. It is so important at any event to do a dance. Wise words of Myra Tiffin, that you wear new clothes and you look lovely. So yeah, I have brand new outfits. Back in the office now. Soup's in the microwave, and I'm about to write some content for Amplify. So great news, everyone. I managed to do everything on my list. And so now I am on my way to Pilates. So I just picked up a clipboard and some chalk pens for the weekend from my local independent retailer for stationery. So yeah, big up small businesses, because that's the way forward. So Fish and Cook, thank you for always having ink, paper, clipboards, chalk pens, anything that I need. I got a donut from Greg's. So I'm just in M&S picking up some corn flour for the recipe for dinner. No, I don't usually shop for food in M&S. I am just here because this is near my Pilates. I just edited up these videos whilst I was on the tube, getting run over. And I'm really sorry about how rough I look. Sort of like put a bit of makeup on this morning, and then as I've been rushing around, it's just melted off. So yeah, the light this morning was much better than the light on Oxford Street. So Pilates done. I needed that. It was obvious I haven't done it last week because I took a break last week, so my body was really tired. Yeah, I'm going to be sore. And actually, I just bumped into a good friend who I know from my Italian classes a few years ago. Yeah, so nice to quickly see her. And, oh, really nice. So I'm on my way home to make dinner. Those of you that have watched this all day, I'm making a lemon and honey chicken because of all those lemons. And I'm going to take one more video once Samuel gets home, and then I'm going to log off and I'm going to put this on the channel because that'll take long enough. That'll be the end of my day. fried lemon chicken happening. Samuel is home.
Hey guys, so I'm just ambushing or taking over Rosina's YouTube channel. So that lemon chicken was delightful, very good. She's a first class wife, I'm just saying. But now, because I kind of had a little failure with the pancakes yesterday.
You didn't fail. They were all right. There was just two of them.
I was just too tired. It was so late, and I got frustrated. So I only made 2 pancakes, 1 each, literally. So then here's Rosina.
Did you only make 2? That light, I look burnt. I'm so greasy.
So then Rosina's making pancakes. Yes, she is. A little pancake.
Peace.
Pancake.
It's been a long day, YouTube. It's been a long day.
Pancake pan.
It's a crick pan.
Pancake pan.
Oh, you've interrupted
Oh,
me.
sorry.
So screwed up.
Sorry, guys.
Enough of that now, Sam.
So bye, guys. See you Friday, Saturday, Sunday.